Morning after. Those are our cars. That's the Matrix and that's the Sienna. And we have a tiny little patch over here for the dogs to go out. Go potty, Chester. Sweetie, you will not be able to go into the snow. The snow is heavy because it's not sticking on many branches. It's not that wet, clumpy snow. You want to go in? So Polly shoveled just a little, come on, Mose, come on, Mose, come on, good boy. Here's our native white dog. Okay, Mosey, you don't have a big choice of where to go potty. And sorry if you're gonna see, he's like, yeah, I don't know where I could go. But it's hard to tell spatial, because there's nothing to compare to, because everything is so, like, Moses is a big dog and the steps are shoveled, but that's our, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to give you a comparison. Well, probably the best is the fact that Moses would be completely snowed over. You wanna go in, sweetie? Wow, it's very peaceful. Go, Mose. No, he didn't do anything. It's very, very peaceful. It's still snowing. Apparently last night, instead of 2 to 3 inches, it was coming down around 6 inches an hour. That gives you an idea. Oh, I'm freezing off my little fingertips. I have my glovies on, but oh my god. Well, the chickens have lights on, have their light on. We have power so far. So let's go take a look. No, I don't know. I don't think I can open the back door actually. Luckily the way the roof is pitched, because it's a, see, that looks like a tiny little mound of snow, but it's giant because there's a car under there. 2 cars. Wow, I hope everyone stays safe, but my disco ball survived. I can always find the positive. Alright, I might have more updates later.